Hi, I'm Renée Sferrazza.
Hi, I'm Michael Fagan. While the last couple of years have made international travel a little challenging, you can still discover the world through wine and food.
That is so right, Michael. And in this short 5-episode series, we're going to be diving into the world of Italy, specifically Veneto.
Veneto is one of my favorite regions. It has so much to offer. Beautiful landscapes, wonderful food, and of course, fantastic wine. And they make a wine for any palate. Whether you like white, red, sparkling, there's something there for you.
That's right. Veneto is a northeastern province of Italy, and it stretches all the way from the Dolomites to the Adriatic Sea. Venice is the regional capital, and it really brings travelers in, drawn to their beautiful canals, Gothic architecture, and Carnival celebrations.
Today we're going to focus on a sub-region of Veneto called Lison-Pramaggiore. It's located just outside of Venice.
One of the producers from the region is Mazzolada, and their estate is only located 10 kilometers away from the Adriatic Sea.
Mazzolada covers about 125 hectares, 93 of which are planted with grapes. Here they produce red wines, white wines, and sparkling wines too. What will we try today, Renee?
I'm so happy you asked, Michael, because I already have a glass poured of Mazzolada's Lison Classico DOCG production. This is a beautiful white wine made from 100% Tokai Friulano, grown on vineyards that have beautifully well-drained soils made up of limestone and clay.
After a soft pressing, the grapes are fermented in stainless steel tanks.
And in the glass, we get a beautiful resulting wine. I hope you're trying this too, Michael. You get this wonderful green tinged white wine, and it has beautiful aromas, little bit of peach and almond in there. And if you take a taste on the palate, you'll find a soft and velvety textured wine with a beautiful, refreshing finish.
This would make a beautiful aperitif, a great partner for cured meats, melon, soft cheeses. What would you serve it with, Renee?
I absolutely love those pairings, but this wine is drawing me to this Venice lifestyle, and I would love to serve it with a Venetian-style creamed cod or even a seafood pasta.
Be sure to join us next time as we visit other sub-regions of Veneto, including Prosecco, Bardolino, and Valpolicella Ripasso. Until next time.
See you next time.